Hello and welcome to my listing at 210 6th Avenue North here in the town of Vulcan. Now this house was built in 1984. It's about 1,446 square feet in size. The lot is 60 feet by 115 feet. Now, this is located on a corner lot in the town of Vulcan. Nice big mature trees. Combination of brick and stucco siding. Just like to show you a bit of the outside first. You see it's got the attached double car garage. Plus on the side here, there's a big cement pad. So if you want to park your RV, you got lots of room to park. So very, very spacious. Take you on inside. There's a closet right here for taking off your jacket, your shoes. And then coming in to the right is the living room with natural gas fireplace. Nice big windows. Just to note, all window coverings are included in the sale. That leads us into the dining area. Lots of room here. The previous owner had a big china cabinet off to the side. We'll come back to this area. Now down the hallway to our left is the laundry room. Now before this was used combination laundry room and office. So you'll see there's lots of room here. Closet space, built-in shelving. So lots of room, like if you wanted to set up your ironing board in here, or like I say, have use this as office area. On that note, there's Axia fiber optic internet is available at this property. And we'll go into the main bathroom. You'll see here there's a jetted tub. And to the right is the master bedroom. Closet. Now these windows face north and west. And part of the master bedroom is a 3-piece ensuite. Just got a nice shower there. Big shower head. And we'll take you into the second bedroom on the main level here. Now those windows, that faces the west. Sorry, on the master bedroom it faces north and east. So that's 2 bedrooms on the main level. Master bedroom has a 3-piece ensuite, full bathroom here. And we'll go back to the dining area. Unique feature about this place, well, one of the unique features is the sunroom. The enclosed sunroom here. There's a heater, so you could actually use this almost year-round if you wanted to. You get to take a peek out back. Watering the apple tree there. Now it's a fenced backyard. There's a nice little ramp that'll take you down. Out, there's a back entry there. We'll have a look at that a little bit later on. So coming back from the sunroom, go off into the kitchen area, and they had a little dining room, or a little dining nook here as well. So in the kitchen, you got the fridge, built-in range, countertop stove. And dishwasher. It's a decent cupboard space. Even off to the side, you'll see these cupboards got the built-in, I guess we call them built-in spice racks. And heading down through the hallway, there's a trash compactor. Another closet. And you'll see there's a sink here. So that sink's kind of handy coming in from the backyard, or we'll also take you into the garage. Now this is an attached double car garage. You'll see it's good size. Electric garage door opener and remotes. And there's a little bit of a workshop area back here as well. Now, this is hooked up for in-floor heating, but there's been an issue with the in-floor heating in the garage. So the seller's been in contact with the company that if someone wants it fixed up, we can certainly get you in touch with them to get that done. Now, on the main level, it's forced air heating, like with the furnace, and there's central air conditioning as well. And in the basement, it's in-floor heating. We'll take you down there now. In the basement, there's just lots and lots of room here. See, there's drawers here for storage. To the left here, there's a little cold room area. And we'll go down to the utility room. See the canister for the central vac, furnace, hot water tank, and the boiler. Now take a look at the size of this family room. It is huge. You could have a pool table in here, a couple sofas. This could be a big theater room, or maybe you want to have a dance down here. All sorts of room. So there's a bathroom down here with shower. And the third bedroom of the house. You see, this is a good sized bedroom as well. Just gonna back up a little bit and show you closet space. So carpeted flooring down here in this bedroom. And then there's storage room here. There's shelving. Once again, we'll take a look at the good size of this family room. That little closet, that door in the corner there is just another storage closet. So yeah, if you're needing room, there's certainly lots of it here. I'll take you out back. Nice green space here. That shed is going to be removed. It's non-compliant, too close to the property line. So you can see a fenced backyard here and the ramp up to the sunroom. And once again, this looks out to the side. So this is 210 6th Avenue North in Vulcan. Say about 1,446 square foot bungalow with an attached double car garage located close to within walking distance to the golf course. Swimming pool's just a block away. Walking paths not far. Really nice location, really well taken care of property. As you can see from the lawn and the flowers and bushes. So if you have any questions about this property, please give us a call at 403-485-6901. Or check us out on the web at www.magnusonrealty.com. Thank you for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and of course, live long and prosper.